Hey guys, it's Hamza with Prime Trade Exchange. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your TronLink Wallet, TRC Wallet for your business. This is very important if you want to use USDT, okay? So follow with me step by step. First of all, I am using Brave browser. You could use Google Chrome, you could use Brave, you could use Firefox. These are the ones I recommend. If you're on Google, we're going to go TronLink Wallet extension for the browser that you're using. So if you're using Firefox, type in Firefox. I'm using Brave, so I'm gonna do Brave because Brave and Google Chrome use the same thing. All right, I'm gonna add to Brave, and is gonna add extension. Okay, an extension is something that's added to your browser. Do not panic. Okay, if you don't see it, just go right here and you should see it. I have too many extensions. All right, then we're gonna click on it and we're gonna create wallet. All right, and we're gonna agree. So scroll all the way down. I agree, no more reminders. Name your wallet. You can name it, I don't know, business wallet, business. Okay, well, business wallet. Okay, there we go. Enter password. This password is important. Please don't forget it, but if you forget it, it's okay. All right, I'm gonna type in the password again, and we're gonna create the wallet. If you forget it, don't panic. I'm gonna show you why. All right, now we're gonna backup wallet. This is very, 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 very important. I can't express it enough because it's gonna give you a secret phrase, and this secret phrase you need to write it down. Do not copy it on the computer, you might get hacked. Okay, so we're gonna back this up. So I'm gonna enter my password again. 1 minute. All right, confirm. Okay, backup, and we're gonna view this key. Now, I don't care about this. I'm creating this online. I'm creating this for you so you guys can take over this wallet. I don't recommend it because everybody has access to it now, okay? And it's going to give you a 12-digit word. And this is your password. This is how you can back up. If you forget your password, you enter this, you can reset your password, okay? Write it down somewhere, okay? So grab a piece of paper, write it down. I'm not going to write it down because I'm not going to keep this wallet. So I'm going to screenshot it, and I'm going to say already backed up. And it's gonna tell me what's the 3 words, so I'm gonna just put it right here on the side, right? Okay, the 3rd word is stairs, so I'm gonna do stairs. Next, 11th word is orange, and then after that, the 6th word is film, and confirm. And then after that, you confirm it, it's gonna take you to your wallet. Congratulations, this is your official wallet. Okay, this is your USDT address. So if somebody asks you, hey, send me your address, you're gonna copy this and you're gonna send it to them. Now, in order for you to start using this, make sure that you have some TRX. All right, you can get TRX from a lot of places, and if you don't know how to get TRX, we are an exchange company that trades USDT for wire, so you can ask us and we'll help you out get some TRX if you're beginning. This is your USDT address. This is your most important asset as a business, as a small business or as a large business. Okay, do not listen to that 99 cents. USDT is $1. It's pegged to the dollar. It's always $1. So sometimes they'll show like $10,000 and right here 99,800. Don't worry about that. Okay, the address for your USDT TRX is the same thing. This is going to be your address. All right, I do recommend you use the gas-free wallet right here because your fees will be cheaper. But after that, you're done. Okay, you can send, you can receive. If you want to send, just hit send, confirm. Well, we can't because it hasn't been activated. You need some TRX. But if you want to, after you get some TRX into your account, you can send and you can copy down their wallet address. You can stake, but if you don't know about staking, I don't recommend you doing it if you don't know what's going on. All right, so and if you forget your password, you can go right here to settings, security, and change the password right here. All right, you could change the password whenever you want. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. If you want to see your if you didn't copy the 12-digit password, you can go right here, export wallet, Mnemonic, and enter your password again and view your password again, and it'll give you the 12-digit again. Again, do not use this wallet. This wallet is for everybody to see, so you can log in. There's gonna be $0 in it. That's it for my video. Thank you for watching, and assalamu alaikum.